everyone, today we will discuss how to stop a dry cough. A dry cough may be accompanied by a number of symptoms. Most of them are also the symptoms associated with a common cold, other bacterial or viral infection. Keeping in mind the frequency of a dry cough, it is a relief that there are a number of home remedies that you can use to cure it. These are made from simple materials and help you to avoid the side effects of medicine. Home remedy number 1, honey. Honey may help to stop a dry cough because of its anti-inflammatory properties. It repairs mild trauma in the esophagus and has an overall soothing effect. Consume 2 teaspoons of honey twice a day. Alternatively, you can add 2 teaspoons of honey to warm water or herbal tea and sip on it. Home remedy number 2, ginger. Ginger, like honey, is hailed for its analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger eases your dry and itchy throat and reduces inflammation and pain. Pour water in a saucepan and add ginger to it. Bring it to a boil and simmer for a few minutes. Turn the heat off and strain the tea. Add honey to the tea and drink it while it is warm. Sip on the tea twice a day. Home remedy number 3, thyme. Thyme promotes the secretion of saliva and helps cure dryness in the throat. Its bronchodilator effects help open up airways for better air exchange. Put crushed thyme leaves into a glass of boiling water. Let it steep for about 15 minutes. Strain the water into a cup and drink it. Home remedy number 4, onion dye cough syrup. Onions help in relieving cough by acting as an antagonist to compounds that trigger coughing. It also has antibacterial properties and is considered to be a natural antibiotic. You can use this homemade cough syrup as a remedy for a dry cough. Pour the honey into a saucepan over low heat. Add the diced onion to it. Put the ginger and the cloves into the mixture. Squeeze half a lemon into the onion-honey clove mixture. Cover the saucepan and let it simmer on low flame for around 20 minutes. After that, remove the heat source and allow the mixture cool down. Strain the mixture into a container and allow it to cool down. Once it has reached room temperature, transfer the syrup to an airtight jar. Consume 1 teaspoon every 2 to 3 hours to reduce coughing. You can store this syrup in the refrigerator for about 1 month. Home remedy number 5, basil. Basil helps soothe the throat and boost the immune system. It also helps fight bacteria and aid in the secretion of saliva, which helps cure dry throat. You can chew on basil leaves and have it in the form of a syrup. Add the sugar to the basil juice. Mix the two well using a wooden spoon. Consume this mixture periodically. Home remedy number 6, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has antimicrobial properties, which means that it helps kill infection causing microorganisms. Pour the apple cider vinegar in a container with water. Add ginger powder, honey, and cayenne pepper to it. Stir the ingredients using a wooden spoon. Once mixed properly, consume the mixture periodically.